Hey everyone, it's Heather's Plushies and I'm back with another video. So remember a little bit ago I did the review on the Living Nature polar bear. Well, I got the brown bear now. So yeah. This one I got from the Walmart website. And yay, he came with another booklet because I'm going to give that to Silver. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's this? Just so... Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at his face. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Wow. This is so cute. Look at him. Oh. So here's his Living Nature tags. And his tush tag. Now, as far as beans, he has them in the butt. And in the paws. Awesome. Oh, his fur is beautiful. So, yeah, he's so cute. What? He has a hole in him? That is not good. A brand new plush has a hole in it. What? But anyways, he's so cute. Look at his face. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so that's the Living Nature brown bear. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.